Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So can I get your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name is Brad. It's 4 ZB515s and a flat wall on about 33 hertz. It's 4 cab 45s at 0.7 on limitless G80.
Okay.
Does about a 55.
Nice. C-pillar 55s. That's pretty good.
Not bad.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah. Yeah, it really woke up once I put the 45s on it versus the cab 20.
1 ohm or half ohm or 3?
0.7.
0.7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because they're dual.
Yep, got it. Okay. Who built the box?
I built it.
You did. Very nice. I like the back plexiglass view too.
Yeah.
And you can see the subs move in the back a little bit on the top ones. I like it. Thank you. Brad?
Yeah, Brad.
Awesome. Thank you, Brad. All right, everybody, give it a like for Brad. Thanks for watching Sundown 2021 show. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. Team Hertz Feelings. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear, man.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let up that antidote. Don't you let up the antidote. Party on a Sunday. Going all weekend on my day. Spend the cash on a weekend. I might do it again. It's bullshit. Don't you open up that window. Don't you let up that antidote. Loving girls is all we know. The girl them skill or trick. Thunderball, some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5,040 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, Thunderball say, well, woman do it. false. Well, woman, do it.
Awesome, man. Thank you for the demo. You did a good job sealing it off too. I know I was watching to see if it flexed. It didn't move much in the box. You did a good job. Nice work, man. Who built the box?
I built it.
You did. Very nice. I like the back plexiglass view too.
Yeah.
And you can see the subs move in the back a little bit on the top ones. I like it. Thank you. Brad?
Yeah, Brad.
Awesome. Thank you, Brad. All right, everybody, give it a like for Brad. Thanks for watching Sundown 2021 show. Stay tuned for more videos, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Team Hurts Feelings. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.